Hi folks, again with a little Christmas fire. One of my experiments on raising daikon, this is a smaller variety. It's not the one I showed you before. That was in one of my patches. I think that was my friend's that I paid for it to grow it in his lot. This one that came out of my, or was it my farm lot? I can't remember. But anyway, this one was my experimental one that I grew in a container. Now, the trouble with it, daikon grows in sections. If you could look at the daikon, it looks like sectional. Big problem I had with containers, when the plant hugs against the side of the pot, it flattens. See, it doesn't round out, it flattens to one side. And it'll just grow like that. And you can tell by the growth of it, I keep adding more dirt to get the height. But the problem is that on certain soils, daikon will grow out of the ground. Okay? This is the biggest I could get out of the pot, which isn't too bad. But see how flat one side is? It's not round, folks. Okay? Now, I do a lot of experiments on plant and mutations and all that stuff. Because Uncle Alan's a little mad scientist, more than Reed. Go check out his channel. That's imagination. Magnify your imagination. Go help out Reed. He needs the hours. And I'll catch you later, folks.